What if I told you that right now, at this very moment, you might be living inside a black hole? And what if the James Webb Space Telescope just found evidence that proves it? Yeah, I'm dead serious. Scientists thought they had the universe figured out. They knew how it started, how galaxies formed, how fast space was expanding. But then James Webb launched, and everything fell apart. Right now, Webb is detecting things that shouldn't exist. Galaxies that are impossibly massive, a universe expanding way faster than it should, and a rotation pattern in space that suggests we're trapped inside a black hole in a parent universe we can't even see. I'm about to show you 3 discoveries that are making scientists question everything. And I'm warning you, by the end of this video, you're going to see reality differently. Let's go. December 25th, 2021. James Webb rocketed into space to photograph the universe's baby pictures, the first galaxies. Scientists knew exactly what to expect. Small, chaotic, barely held together structures. But when Webb looked back in time, it saw something that made astronomers go silent. 6 reddish dots near the Big Dipper. When analyzed, they turned out to be galaxies from just 500 to 700 million years after the Big Bang. The universe was practically a newborn. But these galaxies, they weren't babies. They were monsters. Each one contained over 10 billion solar masses of stars. One had over 100 billion. That's nearly as massive as the Milky Way today. Except the Milky Way had 13.8 billion years to grow. These galaxies had less than 1 billion. Imagine walking into a hospital nursery and finding fully grown adults standing there. That's what Webb found in space. According to physics, there wasn't enough time or material in the early universe to build galaxies this big. It's physically impossible. Scientists nicknamed them universe breakers. Because if they exist, and they clearly do, our entire understanding of cosmic evolution is shattered. But it gets worse. Webb found another galaxy, Jade's GSZ 14-0, that existed just 290 million years after the Big Bang, even earlier, even more impossible. And this galaxy was insanely bright, packed with stars. But here's the terrifying part. Webb detected oxygen in this galaxy. Oxygen doesn't just appear. It's forged inside massive stars and only released when they explode, which means multiple generations of stars had to be born, live entire lifetimes, and die. All within the first 290 million years. That's like finding fossils in a building constructed yesterday. It makes no sense. Now drop a comment. Do you think our models of the universe are completely wrong? Because what I'm about to show you next makes this look tame. Let's talk about something driving scientists insane, the expansion of the universe. We've known space is stretching, getting bigger. And in the 1990s, scientists discovered it's not just expanding, it's accelerating. Something called dark energy is pushing space to grow faster and faster. But here's the problem. Nobody knows what dark energy is. We've never detected it. We just know something is out there. Scientists measure expansion speed using the Hubble constant. According to our models, it should be around 67 kilometers per second per megaparsec. But when astronomers actually measure it using supernovae and gravitational lenses, they get 73. That's a massive gap called the Hubble tension. For years, scientists hoped it was a measurement error. Then James Webb stepped in. Nobel Prize winner Adam Rees used Webb's data over 2 years to remeasure it, the most comprehensive data set ever. And you know what he found? 72.6. The gap is real. Something is fundamentally broken in our models. But here's where it gets insane. Some scientists now think we've been measuring expansion wrong this entire time. New research shows type 1a supernova don't all shine the same brightness like we thought. When scientists corrected for this, the data suggests something shocking. The universe might not be accelerating. It might be slowing down. Let that sink in. For decades, we've been told the universe is speeding up. But what if it's actually decelerating? What if the brakes are being applied? And that brings us to the discovery that changes everything. If you're not subscribed, hit that button now, because what I'm about to reveal is going to blow your mind. Here it is. The moment I promised. Researchers at Kansas State University analyzed James Webb data on 263 distant galaxies, specifically their rotation. In a random universe, galaxies should rotate in all directions, half clockwise, half counterclockwise, pure chance. But that's not what they found. 2/3 rotated clockwise, only 1/3 counterclockwise. A huge, statistically impossible imbalance. So what's causing it? One explanation is boring, an optical illusion from the Doppler effect. But the second explanation will keep you up at night. What if our universe was born inside a black hole? And what if that black hole passed on its axis of rotation to our universe? That would explain why so many galaxies spin in the same direction. This is part of a real theory called Schwartz cosmology, and if it's true, it means something wild. Our entire universe is the interior of a black hole in a larger parent universe. And every black hole in our universe? Those are doorways to other baby universes. Universes within universes within universes. An infinite cosmic nesting doll. And we're just one layer. The Big Bang wasn't the beginning of everything. It was just the moment our universe was born inside a black hole. And that black hole exists in another cosmos, which might itself be inside another black hole, stretching on forever. Think about what this means. If we're inside a black hole, what does that say about reality? About where we came from? About what's outside? Comment below. Do you think we're living inside a black hole? Does this sound crazy, or does it actually make sense? Let's bring this together. James Webb found galaxies that are impossibly massive. It confirmed the universe expands faster than predicted, and it revealed a rotation pattern suggesting we're inside a black hole in a vast multiverse. Every pillar of modern cosmology is cracking. The standard model is falling apart. And the more we discover, the more questions we have. What is dark matter? Does dark energy exist? Are we really inside a black hole? And if so, what's outside? These aren't just questions for scientists. They're existential. They force us to ask, what is reality? What is our place in this cosmos? Here's the truth. We don't have answers yet. But that's what makes this the most exciting time to be alive. We're witnessing a scientific revolution. Our understanding of existence is being rewritten in real time. So what do you think? Are we discovering something that changes everything? Or are we missing an even bigger truth? Let me know in the comments. And if you made it this far, thank you. Smash that like button, share this with anyone who loves cosmic mysteries, and subscribe to the Curiosity Beast, because the universe is full of secrets, and we're just getting started. See you in the next one. Stay curious.